Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in skincare and beauty products. Today, we're diving into a moisturizing essential that's been making waves in the beauty world. Introducing the Advanced Clinicals Coconut Oil Cream. This spa-sized moisturizer is not just any ordinary cream. It's a game changer, especially for aging skin. With its rich formula and natural ingredients, it's quickly becoming a staple in skincare routines everywhere. Let's delve into what makes this cream stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about hydration. This cream is packed with coconut oil, known for its ability to deeply moisturize and nourish the skin. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin and hello to a youthful, radiant complexion. What sets this cream apart is its carefully selected ingredients. From coconut oil to chamomile and lavender extracts, each component works together to rejuvenate and hydrate the skin. And the best part? It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Simply apply a generous amount onto cleansed skin, and let the magic happen. So, if you're in search of the ultimate body moisturizer for aging skin, look no further than the Advanced Clinicals Coconut Oil Cream. Trust us, your skin will thank you. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and product recommendations. Until next time, stay beautiful.